Hello guys, and welcome to module number 3. Now, module number 3 is really important. It's the optimization process. Now again, you may be watching this in advance so that you can learn everything to go and apply this entire course to a to-do list application. But you may be learning this just after finding and after your 90-day period of searching for a to-do list application and trialing it in full. Now, you may have walked away with a new to-do list application, and the thing that I think is really vital is connecting yourself with a methodology. Now, methodologies are really important. Now, when I was 15 or 16, I went and read GTD like a very strange teenager. And GTD, Getting Things Done by David Allen, was such a fundamental book for me that really pointed me in the right direction. Now, what I recommend is if you haven't got a methodology like GTD, there are so many out there, and there are so many that can provide value to you. Now, we'll include a couple of the methodologies below so that this can help reinforce your use of a to-do list application. Now, what we typically recommend is a phrase that I accidentally recently coined up when speaking to someone is rules before tools. Now, rules help you to improve the way you're using tools, and they also help you to really go further when it comes to all of the different aspects of your productivity. It's not just your to-do list app, that's your note taker, your calendar app, the way you get up in the morning, the way you go to bed at night. It can really affect all different aspects of your life. Now, there are some great books and resources. I'm going to include a few below, but it doesn't necessarily have to be the GTD. There are loads of books that can be really helpful. Now, here's one, for example, Michael Hyatt wrote one called Free to Focus. Even these sort of books will help you to reinforce your learnings about how to use a to-do list application. Or there might be, for example, a workbook like Getting Things Done Workbook by David Allen that might help you to go further. Or you may want a book that just helps you to produce improvements in your productivity. A book like 10 Steps to Ultimate Productivity by Michael Slowinski from Nosby, where it might help you to go a bit further. So all of these fundamentals and these learnings can help improve your experience. Now, what I continue to reiterate throughout this section is rules before tools. Now, rules before tools is really helpful because you can then really improve the foundations of your experience, then build on top of it and continue. Now, if you don't already have one, then naturally this is going to be a really beneficial section. If you have one already, don't stop learning. I continue to learn myself about tools. I've read a lot of books, and I always try and learn about the rules that really determine and improve productivity, whether they're small different like chapters that have been beneficial within a book or sections that have been beneficial. They all help towards using and working better with tools. So guys, in the next section, we're actually going to be touching on something called 3-month audits. These will help you to improve your productivity using your to-do list application and further your learnings and improvements with it. So guys, I look forward to you helping. So guys, I look forward to that section. I hope you go away with the lessons of rules over tools. All right, see you in a second, guys.